little green birds. So today, what I am going to be doing is I am going to be going over my brand new Birchbox that I just got in the mail the other day. So yeah, of course I have to cover up all of that lovely info so people don't come for me stock or whatever. I have no idea. People are crazy. But yeah, we're just gonna go dive right into this one. How you all doing? Because I am doing kind of okay. I'm like tired. I feel tired, but I kind of don't really look tired. I don't know why. It's kind of annoying. But yes, so I can't believe I got my Birchbox already. It just feels like it was like yesterday. I just got my very first one to review, so now I'm going over this month's for February, and I love this ugly mustard color. It looks so cool. I like it. And this box feels heavy, so I am excited. So we're gonna open this little guy up. Okay. Okay, so this one, the personalized samples for this time. Issue 19, well, actually, volume 19, issue 2. Become one with nature in a secluded personal cabin for the ultimate me-time escape. We recommend getaway.house. Zen out. That looks kind of cool. Size me up, make the most of the products by using the right amount. I don't know about that when it comes down to shampoos. I like lathering my head. I don't give a fuck if I don't have hair. I will always use a shampoo regardless. That just doesn't make sense. Like, I can understand the facial cleanser, yes, and the face lotion, yes, but shampoo? Are you kidding me? That is not enough to lather up anyone's hair at all. Flip over to make more. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna go off of the Davins, I'm assuming. SU Hair and Body Wash. Full size retails for $24. An all over wash that taps citrus to hydrate skin and repair sun damaged hair. Okay, here it is. So this comes in a 2.5 fluid ounce. That was my phone. I thought I silenced it. I'm like charging it right now. Put that down to the side. Okay, so this is After Sun Delicate Hydrating Wash for Hair and Body Shampoo. I have no idea. This is starting to look more Italian. I cannot read that or whatever it was. Made in Italy. So this is more vegetarian because there is fragrance in it. No parabens and sulfate free. So that's what's up. Let's just see what this smells like. Never heard of this brand before. Ooh, I love it. Okay, this just totally reminds me, like, I guess that makes sense. After Sun Delicate Hydrating. This reminds me of like a fresh summer, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know why. It's like if you just had like an amazing body scrub or like day at the day spa or whatever. Like, oh my god, this literally smells like that fresh, luxurious spa vibe. Just really fresh. It's a very, very uplifting. It's very subtle, so it's not heavy in fragrance. Okay. Next on the list, English Laundry Windsor Parfum. Full size retails for $85. An exhilarating fragrance with grapefruit, peppercorn, and oak moss. So, I bought English Laundry clothing hella years ago. I don't know what's going on with the brand as a clothing brand, the brand as a brand with just clothes, because that's all I know them for. I haven't bought any of their clothing like for years or any of that stuff, so I really don't know what to say about that. Okay, we're gonna open this up. I definitely will say it's exhilarating because it's just like a burst of intensity. This is, I don't know what this is, but I'm just gonna put that a little on my wrist right there. Okay. Undertone is definitely like pepper, but the oak, the tree scents, I actually like it. It's not overwhelming, but it does have like kind of like this fresh powdered smell. Does that make sense? I don't know if that really makes sense. It has like a soft powdered scent to it. That is like that's the initial hint that I am smelling. It's like fresh powdered smell to it. Okay, moving on. Joara Candle Nut Body Cream. Full size, $35, using a centuries old balm rich in fatty acids. This natural hydrator heals dry skin. Okay. Smooths and moisturizes, softens skin. Comes in a 0.34 ounce bottle, which is 10 milliliters. Dermatologist tested, 100% vegetarian, free of parabens and harsh chemicals, and nuts not tested on animals, which is very good. Okay, we're gonna open this up because I want to smell what this smells like. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna. Oh, it smells. So that's what it looks like on the hand. If you can see. I wish it had ingredients listed on this. Candle Nut Body Cream. So this is definitely very creamy. It smells like candles. Hence, the candle nut. But, yeah, it smells like candles. That's what it totally reminds me of. Like, it has like a nutty undertone. Okay. Thank you so much, Bose, for reconnecting my phone to the speaker. Thank you. Yeah, it definitely, like, I don't know how to describe it. Definitely very creamy. It's very creamy. It smells like candles, like fresh, everyday candles. Like candles that you would smell in a very clean boutique type of deal. Small little, like family shop owned, like clothing store or something like that. That's what it totally reminds me of. Moving on is Quip Mint Anti-Cavity Toothpaste. Full size retails for $5. All-Star toothpaste. Filled with everything you need and nothing you don't. Tip, just use a pea-sized amount twice a day and you're good to go. So, this is what the little unicarton looks like. And this is like a 2-week supply, basically, I guess, because it says 2 weeks on it. Try the Quip electric toothbrush set with everything your mouth needs. Brush, head, and toothpaste refills delivered every 3 months. Visit see more at getquip.com/try. Okay, distributor, Quip New York City, 45 Main Street, Brooklyn, New York, USA, made in India. That is a little strange to me. I've never had oral care made in India before, so that's a little different to me. Okay, so comes in this kind of like iridescent, kind of chrome like packaging. I am actually really curious. Smells very minty fresh. You know what, like, let's see what it tastes like. Interesting. I will have to try it out and whatever, and I'll give my 2 cents on it and everything. I mean, like, I already have an electronic toothbrush and I love it. But I don't know. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that toothpaste. Yeah, so the very last thing is the V76 by Vaughn, spelled V-A-U-G-H-N. I'm assuming Vaughn. Detox bar soap, full retail size is $14. An organic scrubbing bar with clay and oats, detoxify and purge excess oil. Tip: pay special attention to rough areas like the elbows to soften the skin. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside of this little package, like a little travel size. It's 1 ounce. I don't know, yeah, I'm not gonna open this one, but yeah, I just wanted to go over what came inside of my newest Birchbox. If you have any questions or anything like that, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and all of that. I just want to say, like, thank you so much for just tuning in general. Okay, I love Birchbox Man. I think it's amazing. I get to try all these products, all these different products, like once a month and all, and if I like it, it makes me want to go out and purchase it. I am really interested in trying this one out of everything that I received in this box, okay? It smells amazing, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. I don't know why I had to ponder on that. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.